How to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Once you do that, navigate to your profile page. And from here, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on Settings and Privacy. Once you are here, scroll down till you find a section that says how others can interact with you. From there, click on Messages and Story Replies. And here on this page, from the first section that says how people can reach you, click on Message Controls. And as you can see here, Instagram tells you to decide whether message requests go to your chats list, your message requests folder, or whether to receive them at all. And as you can see, this section is divided into two options. The first one is your followers on Instagram, while the second one is others on Instagram. So click on the first one. And here you need to select the first option. As you can see, it says deliver requests to message requests. And Instagram here tells you that message requests from people who follow you on Instagram will be delivered to your message requests folder unless you choose not to receive them. So this means that if any one of your followers sends you a message, it will be delivered to your message requests. So we got the followers covered. Now we need to cover the non-followers. Click on the second option that says others on Instagram, and here also select the first option. And here Instagram tells you that message requests from others accounts on Instagram will be delivered to your message requests folder, meaning that if a non-follower sends you a message, it will also land on your message requests folder. By doing this, we have enabled the message requests and allow them for both followers and non-followers, which covers everyone else on Instagram. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and allow message requests from everyone on Instagram, whether they are followers or not. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.